What is animal tissues? Tissues which are present in animal body is called animal tissues. There are several types of animal tissues in animal body. First of all, you know different types of animal tissue. You can see different types of animal tissue. First of all, number one, epithelial tissue, which are the coverings of the animal body, is called epithelial tissue. This may be also called the covering tissue. Next, number two, connective tissues. The tissues which connect different types of organ is called connective tissue. Next, number three, muscular tissue. The tissue which make different types of muscle which perform the function of locomotion by the contraction and extraction, relaxation. These are called muscular tissues. Next, the tissue which accept the different types of stimulus, and conduct throughout the body is called nervous tissue. The nervous system is constituted by the nervous tissue. Okay, epithelial tissues are different types. That is squamous epithelium, that is cuboidal epithelium, the columnar epithelium, glandular epithelium, germinal epithelium, sensory epithelium. There are several types of epithelial tissues in animal body. Next, connective tissue. There are several types of connective tissues which are called first areolar tissue, tendon, ligament, adipose, skeletal, blood, limb, etc. Skeletal tissue is divided into cartilage and bone. Muscular tissues are three types. First of all, one striated, next smooth, next cardiac. There are three types of muscular tissues in animal body. Next, nervous tissue. Number 4, nervous tissues. These are 4 types of tissues found in animal body. And different tissues of animal body are as follows. Now, I will discuss about epithelial tissue or epithelia. Singular epithelium, plural epithelia. These are also called covering tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. First of all, Greek epi equal to upon, theli equal to nipple. Epi and theli together form the epithelial tissue. Epi means upon, above. So, epithelial tissue is the tissue which covers the body. Next, the term epithelium, coined by the Ruas, Ruys, coined the term epithelium, Scientist Ruas coined the term epithelium. Next, what is epithelium? Epithelium may be called the covering tissue. It covers the body surface and the body organ externally and internally. This tissue is called epithelial tissue or covering tissue. A sheet of cells which covers the external and internal body surfaces of the body organ of animal is called epithelial tissue. First, definition. Next, first definition and the term coined by Ruas. Next, characteristics of epithelial tissue. Characteristics of epithelial tissue. Characteristics of epithelium. Number one, it may be single or multi-layered. First of all, single or multi-layered. Number two, cells of the tissue are largely connected. There is no intercellular space. Next, densely connected. No intercellular spaces. Number three, ঘনসন্নিবিষ্ট, there are no any intercellular space. Next, in this tissue, cells are the principal constituent. No or reduced matrix is present. No or reduced matrix is present. Number four, cells are lying on a non-cellular fibrous layer. This is called basement membrane. Basement membrane. Cells are lying on basement membrane. This is a non-cellular fibrous layer. And the upper surface of the cells always free. Number five, Number 5. Upper surface is always free. Lower surface is on basement membrane, but upper surface is always free. Sometimes upper surface of the cell there may be present microvilli, cilia, stereocilia, kinocilia. There are several types of outgrowth may be found. Next, number 6. No vascular capillaries are present in this tissue. No vascular capillaries are present. No vascular capillaries are present. But how it takes nourishment? It takes nourishment from the underlying connective tissue through the basement membrane. Through the basement membrane. These are the characteristic features of, they originate. These epithelial tissues originated from the 3 germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. They originate from ecto, endo, and mesoderm. From 3 germ layers, epithelial tissue may be originated. Next, location of epithelial tissue or occurrence. Location of epithelial tissue. First of all, the body surface, that is the skin, is made of epithelial. Second, the buccal cavity is made of epithelial tissue. Next, the pharynx and tongue, over the pharynx and tongue, there is epithelial tissue. Next, lining of esophagus, that is lining of alimentary canal, are made of epithelial tissue. Nasal tract, tract of trachea, peritoneum, alveoli, these are there, all the organs there are present epithelial tissue. The external and internal, all the surface of the body covered by the epithelial tissue. Next, location report. After look. I will say functions of epithelial. Functions. First, abrasions. Particularly stratified by multilayered epithelial tissue can tolerate the abrasion. This is very important. Number 2, abrasion report. Next, protection. Protection. Epithelial tissue protects the underlying tissue from exposure, from microbes, from chemical substance and drying. Next, barriers. Epithelial tissue separates different organs or different tissue from one another. It is the barrier of different tissues or organs. Number 4, absorption. Lining of intestine, which is made of epithelial tissue, absorbs the materials from the alimentary canal. Number 5, absorption. Next, gaseous exchange. Epithelial tissue, epithelium, exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in alveoli. From alveoli to blood. Gaseous exchange may be completed by the epithelial tissue. Next, number 6, exchange of food material. Exchange of food material by the epithelial tissue. Exchange of food material from blood to tissue fluid is completed. Number 7, flow of material. Sometimes some epithelial tissue are ciliated by the ciliation of the epithelial tissue. There are several materials as dust from the nasal tract goes out by the movement of the cilia of epithelial tissue. Next, within the oviduct, ova are transported from one place to another place by the ciliation of the oviduct, epithelial tissue. Next, number 8, sensation. Sensation. Some epithelial tissue can accept the sense, that is, taste, smell, etc., which are called sensation. Number 9, germination, germinal function within the gonad. Epithelial tissue produces gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Number 10, secretion. Epithelial tissue secretes different fluids, that is mucus, saliva, sweat, intestinal juice, pancreatic juice, gastric juice, etc. These are different types of function of epithelial tissue. Next, epithelial tissue may be divided in various types, that is, types of epithelial tissue. Types of epithelial tissue according to the layer. According to the layer, according to layer. Next, according to cell shape. Next, according to specialization. Speciality. According to layer, it is simple or stratified. Cell cell. It may be squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Cell cell. Speciality. It may be glandular, it may be germinal, it may be sensory, it may be ciliated. There are several types of epithelial tissue. Today, the epithelial tissue types I completed. Next, another video I will discuss about different types of epithelial tissue. Thank you.